Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix overdraw golf. An overdraw, or hook, can be frustrating, but it's often caused by a few common swing flaws. We'll start by identifying why your club face might be too closed at impact or why your swing path is too far from the inside. Then, we'll move into practical adjustments you can make immediately to start hitting straighter shots. Get ready to improve your game. Your setup is crucial for fixing an overdraw. First, check your grip. A strong grip often leads to a closed club face. Try a more neutral grip where your lead hand's V-points between your trail shoulder and ear. Next, ensure your ball position isn't too far back, which can encourage an inside-out path. Finally, align your shoulders and hips parallel to your target line, not aimed right. These small changes make a big difference. Once your setup is dialed in, let's refine your swing path. An overdraw often comes from an excessively inside-out path. Try to feel like you're swinging more down the target line or even slightly outside in to neutralize the path. The 2-tee drill can help. Place one tee just outside the ball and another just inside, aiming to miss the inside tee. This promotes a squarer impact and reduces the hook spin. Consistent practice is key to making these changes permanent. Spend time on the range focusing on your grip, alignment, and swing path. Don't be afraid to experiment with different clubs. Some drivers offer adjustability that can help reduce a hook. Remember, golf is a journey, not a destination. And speaking of upgrades, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Keep swinging.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.